Good morning, everybody. Oishi, stop your front camera. And Daniel, obviously, please don't send any another photo except your own need, okay? So please open today review 3, page number 82, page number 82 in your grammar book. Because interjection I have done, I have given the syllabus of term 2 in your e-portal. So please check the syllabus whenever you are free, and please do that. Page number 82. Review 3. Underline the adverbs and write how, where and when in the brackets. Now, one thing, if you are having any problem of preposition and adverbs, I will, and also conjunctions, I will do next week in the revision. Okay? So, tomorrow is Saraswati Puja. I think you will spend your day very nicely. But next time we hope we will come to school and enjoy everyone. And this time, if you go to the puja pandal, please wear mask, and also at the same time, you should, whenever you will return from the pandal, you will wash your hands, face and legs by soap water. Okay? So please do page number 82, adverbs. Adverbs, I told also, if you listen my online YouTube class, there I have told you that which one is adverb. In a sentence, when we are describing verb, add quality to the verb. Sometimes we are describing verb like this, where we are asking question in the verb. Where are you going? When did you do? And how? These three things we are describing the verbs. So that is called adverb. Please listen to me, okay, very carefully. So there, first sentence, we need to buy these medicines now. So here, adverb is just underline number 1, now, and bracket, what we can tell, when. That does means adverbs of time, okay. Number 2, the doctor patiently listened to my problem. Patiently listened to my problem. So the doctor patiently listened to my problem. Patiently listened to my problem means here patiently and how. Okay, that is how. Okay, beta Aniruddha, please now listen. Okay, now some problem is there. Please don't go from the class. So here doctor patiently listened to my problem. So how? He listened. So here that is also, I told you, again I am telling the adverbs of manner. 3 things you have already read. Adverbs of manner, when we are asking question by how. Adverbs of place means where, and adverbs of time. Adverbs of time, that when and why. Beta Aniruddha, Anushree, you are in class 3, Ayush Mondal. Why did you do? Anushka Kumari has just those who are class 3, class 1 they are not doing. Why you are doing like this? Please unmute your microphone when you need. But I am just talking the microphone, I cannot listen you. Okay, so please mute your microphone always. So here, patiently. Number 3, a large number of people are standing outside. Number 3, outside. Outside, obviously, where? Number 4, here, the soldier smart march smartly in the parade. So smartly, here, how? Number 5, snacks will be sharp shown. So snacks will be sharp shown. That is also shown. That when. Number 6, do not make a noise here. So do not make a noise here. Aniruddha, continuously I am just muting you. Why you are unmute, beta? I cannot listen you because I am having this microphone. Okay. So snacks will be served soon. Do not make a noise here. Here. Also where. That is also place. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Prepositions I told you. Also some things with, in, on, at, in. You have read like this. Okay, on means some things are touchable. And also on we are using in a day. If I am telling, I went to Kolkata on Sunday. At there, at also place. Okay, and also with somebody. With somebody. That is also some things. So, here I can tell. Here now we can write the B. Number B, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Suitable preposition number B. The boy is walking with his mother. Number 2, the bus stopped at the bus stop. Number 3, we reached home at 6 o'clock. Number 4, the magician put his hat on the pigeon. Number 5, sugar bowl is on the table. Sugar bowl is on the table. Wash your hands with soap for, first one, with soap and for taking your meals. So next, conjunctions. Conjunction and, but, or. And to same ideas we can add and, but to opposite ideas, or also to opposite things only one can we do. That is or, and also because. Some reason we are giving, that time we are using because. So number C we can go. We can stay in the classroom or go out to play. Yes, we can go stay in the classroom or go out to play. Number C, 1. Only I am writing or. Number 2, Nidhi is pretty and Dhriti is prettier. Number 3, I invited them to my sister's wedding, but they could not come. Number 4, page number 83. The plants died because Anna forgot to water them. Number 5, Mr. Jadhav and Mr. Singh came to my office to see me. And number 6, do not go out in the dark because it is not safe. And number 7, sit quietly or leave my room. So, you have done all these things. Next, number D, I'll not do. Because understanding words, it is not in your syllabus, so I'm not doing. Then, number E, page number 83, number E we can do. Page number 83, number E. I respect him. Here following sentence, parts of speech for the underlined words. I respect him very much. Number 1, him. That is pronoun. Pronoun. Number 2, the aeroplanes fly in the sky. That is verb. Number 3, the fly is a dirty insect. Fly, that is noun. Fly here, just notice that here fly is a verb because the aeroplane flies. And fly, it is a insect. So it is a noun. It is a noun. Number 4, the rabbit can run very fast. Rabbit can run very fast. Fast. Obviously that is adverb. Number 5, this is my right hand. Right hand, tell Aniruddha. Yes. Aniruddha, please tell right hand. Tell 5. Aniruddha, Anushka, everybody, anyone. Tell right hand. Right hand. Why noun? Hand is noun, but right hand? Another description they have given, no? Adjective, yes, it is very good. That's why I am asking. Adjective, that is description they have given. Number 6, I am not angry with you. With preposition. Preposition. Number 7, hooray. Hooray is a interjection. Interjection. I'm not doing that much first, beta. You can do that, but besides, again, I will give it in the YouTube. Next, page number page number 84. 84, there are some fill in the blanks with suitable words. Take these words from the following list. My parents, page number 84. Number 1. My parents are very fond of my sister. Only you can write in the book. Only fill in the blanks. We went to Delhi. We went to Delhi to see Republic Day parade. Camel has a very long neck. See, this is also verb. This is also verb. Number 3, camel has a very long neck. That is adjective. Number 4, Mr. Sen does not live here. It is adverb because place they have denoted here, place. Number 5, he has failed again. Very good, they have written, that is interjection. Number 6, she does her homework in the afternoon. So in is a preposition. Please write all these things. I am writing, please write these things. Number 7, the doctor told her to take rest. Take rest, but she kept on working. But, that is conjunction. So, next word, this is a revision time, so I am just doing that. Here, yes, but besides that, please write all these things. You know that besides, you should write all these things. Here, also, this is the name of my cat is Pushy. We feed only when we are hungry. Her dress is new. My mother has gone there, here, whatever you can write or market. 3 words are there, no? So mother has gone, whatever 3 words you can write. And the teacher is in her room. Do not tease the dog. It may bite you. Shudha and Renu are friends. Please do these things by yourself. Number 8, you should do these things yourself. If you are having any problem, please tell me and look at my portal for your term 2 syllabus. Okay, now also, let me see who are in my class. Today is very nice. Many persons are in my class. Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal, Abhimanyu Garai, Afrin Tamanna, Weishi Ghosh, Aniruddha Goswami, Angshika Bhakat, Anushka Kumari. Anushka, if you are having any problem, Anushka Goswami and Anushka Kumari, 2 Anushka I am telling that. Arindam Bhakat, Ayantika Shi, Ayush Mondal. Ayush Mondal, I have seen that you have got very nice prize in Kanchan Utsav. Congratulations. Vidyashri Makar, Daksha H, Daniel Das, Dhriti Mondal, Diksha Singh, Dibyanka Mukherjee. And thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, beta.